Yes, my people, I don't come again to update our mindset as they hot. So right now, due to the verdict when the judge passed during the gubernatorial election for Kano State, many reactions don't they take place, even down to protests don't they take place. But as they hot now, these two men, so Haruna Dederi, which is the NNPP spokesperson, and also the Abdul Adamu, which is the APC spokesperson. These two men now, they don't grant interview. This interview where they grant, they trade so many words, as in the sense that they argue, enough argument take place. That one, not maybe they make the video. Why are they make the video? Now the things when this APC spokesperson Adamu, the things when they talk about concerning the judges, and say these judges, they are meant to make mistakes, that they are human beings like us, that they are about to make mistakes. That is good. But the question when I come to ask is that why is it that anytime when these judges want to make that kind of mistake, it must be in the favor of APC? Why is it always being in the favor of APC when they make those mistakes? That is the reason why I dey bring up this video. So right now, I want to bring up the video, make una hear that from the horse's mouth when the both of them they trade words concerning the verdict of the judges for gubernatorial election for Kano State. So right now, as I bring up the video, the favor when you go do for us now to like, comment and share. Share and make it reach other people from Kano State. Make them know what they go on. Thank you.
It's normal. Apart from Order 23, Rule 4, cited by the Court of Appeal in their rules. In fact, in Abule versus Wari Refinery, the apex court of the land, Supreme Court, handed down decision and said that judges are human beings.
So
and they are not demigods.
So
they are not demigods. They are bound to make mistakes. They are bound to make omission. They are bound to make typographical error or mistake in their judgment or clerical error. As such, they have power. The law invested them with power to effect correction either on application of the party or even suo motu by the court. The court in its own reason can do that. Okay. And those rules, Rule 4 of Order 23, made it clear that the Court of Appeal has power to do that correction. And in fact, we even put application yesterday for it to be corrected.
Okay.
Application before who? The Court of Appeal has already disposed of this matter. The lifespan of the Court of Appeal lapsed on the 18th. So application to where? Before whom? See, we are not. I don't want to.
Maybe we should hear from him. Application
yes.
to who?
Yes, to who?
Thank you.
To who? Now, let me finish.
Let him respond to you so you can continue.
Let me finish so that he will take it.
He will just respond to this bit.
Please.
No. Okay.
I'm very happy when he said application to who.
To who?
Yeah.
Exactly.
To who?
Application to the registry of the court, because that is why they said it's typographical error.
Okay.
Wait now. The issue of the court is punctus officio. Let me even.
You respond. Don't worry.
Let me even assist him. The court is the court is punctus officio when it's handed down.
Just hold on.
When it's handed down its decision.
Yeah.
But in plethora of authority, among it is Jegede versus APC. The court, there are an exception to that rule. The court, when there is clerical error, when it handed down its decision without jurisdiction, or when there is misrepresentation of facts, the court has power.
Okay.
Now to entertain that question. It's not the issue of lapsing of time.
So you can correct that. So go ahead.
Thank you. When he chipped
go ahead.
No, he called upon me.
What I'm saying is, you see, the essence of justice can never be defeated by any manipulations. Let it be very clear.
Manipulations?
Manipulations.
Which manipulation?
No, what I'm saying is when you bring in things to manipulate very real and apparent facts, which will eventually defeat the essence of justice, that cannot be accepted. This is trite law. This is known, in the whole world. Now, you see, what I'm saying is the whole thing that has played out is very glaringly clear. And from the information we have, see, there was serious interference. And that was why this judgment came about the way it came. It was not the initial intention of the judges to deliver the judgment they read out or they spelled out in the courtroom. So what appeared in the certified true copy of the judgment is the real and the well-intentioned judgment of the court of the justice of the Court of Appeal. But because of interference, and this is very dangerous for this country, because of interference, it was so obvious. No, of course, from the forces that be. You know what happens. And in fact, interference. Yes, what happens is that there are people who have interest in this country and who can go to any extent to jeopardize whatever thing that happens in this country because of their selfish political interest. Yeah. And that is what played out. So there was interference, and insofar as we will not avoid interference in the business of the judiciary and judicial process in Nigeria, there is bound to be mutiny, there is bound to be disaster, and this is what we do not want. Nobody wants any chaos. Nobody wants any breach of the peace. In fact, Kano has been one of the most peaceful states in Nigeria.
So, what do you think of this? He suggests there's corruption in the judiciary.
Well, you see, when you say there is corruption in judiciary, that is outright statement, which need to be substantiated. That is number one. But for this case, I, for one...
What about that report by ICPC?
That's it. Report by...
ICPC.
No, I'm not disputing that report. I'm not disputing the report. But what I'm saying, it needs to be substantiated. You need to come with cogent and credible evidence to substantiate what you said. But this is just saying...
The APC tried to influence this judgment in their favor.